Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your CBIZ Payroll's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your CBIZ Payroll's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in CBIZ Payroll login and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. You will end up on the login page of your CBIZ Payroll's account. Enter your employee ID and password associated with your CBIZ Payroll Services account and tap on Login. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Your Password option. This is how you can log into your CBIZ Payroll's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.